We're starting off today's programming with a really special session that is discussing biologics. And the people up here on this panel actually have been involved over the last several months with a AAOA commissioned work group looking at the evidence that supports the use of various biologic agents in the treatment of allergic disease. And so they all have expertise in particular areas that they're going to share with us this morning. For me, this is a really interesting discussion for us to have at the AAOA because I remember being at the advanced course, I think it was in Lake Tahoe, about 15 years ago, and listening to Rick Hayden give a lecture on advanced immunology and going through the various cytokines that are involved in eosinophilic inflammation. And he said, one day we're going to have treatments that will target these specific cytokines and knock out their action. And wow, we're here. And so we're going to talk about these new agents that we have that target specific molecular pathways of inflammation that are dramatically different from what we're accustomed to using. So each of our panelists will be discussing a particular area, and then at the end, if we've got time, I'll maybe put some questions to you guys. And we're going to start off by talking about immunology. Well, first I should list our panelists here. We've got Cecelia Damask, Mike Platt, Anju Peters, who's an allergist immunologist from Northwestern University, and Christine Franzese, whom you all know well. So we're going to start with you, Christine, and have you kick things off by reviewing those immunologic things that we need to know as we approach this topic.